Hello and welcome. My name is Jennifer, and I will be your guide for this Yoga Nidra experience. Yoga Nidra is really yogic sleep, or my preference is meditation. So just take a moment here and get comfortable on your mat. We'll begin the practice in Savasana. Take a moment and adjust the body so that you feel more comfortable. Adjusting your clothes, your physical body, anything that you need to become more at ease. In the practice that follows, we will begin feeling through the sensory web of awareness and feel a sense of well-being in the body. Take a breath in through the nose and clench the mouth and jaw. And on your exhale, open the jaw. Relax the jaw and swallow to clear the throat. Inhale and draw the shoulders up to the ears, and exhale, rolling the shoulders onto the back body. Inhale, and as you exhale, send the breath to relax the upper arms, elbows, and forearms. Inhale, and as you exhale, roll the wrist out and open and close the palms. Inhale, feel the chest and belly expand, and exhale, let the entire front of the body soften. Inhale, and squeeze the buttocks, and as you exhale, relax the buttocks onto the earth. Inhale, engaging the quads, and as you exhale, relax the quads and knees. Inhale, and flex the feet back towards the shin, activating the calf muscle, and exhale, relax the calf muscle. Rock the feet side to side. Relax the entire body. Observe the body as completely relaxed. Drop out of the thinking mind and feel the body as radiant sensation. Place your awareness in the mouth and jaw. Let go of thinking and allow total awareness of the mouth, jaw, tongue, teeth, throat. Give up thinking. Allow awareness to enter the right ear. Sense the right ear, the left ear. Welcome the sensation of both ears simultaneously as radiant sensation. Sense the cheeks, nose, the flow of prana in and out of the nose. Sense the right eye, left eye, both eyes as radiant sensation. Let go and drop into sensation. Sense your forehead, cool and smooth. Sense the scalp, back of the head, face, jaw, and neck as relaxed and easeful. Sense your right shoulder, your left shoulder, right forearm, left forearm, right wrist, left wrist, right palm, left palm, right fingers, left fingers. Sense the right arm, Sense the left arm. Sense both arms at the same time. Sense your right chest, your left chest, your right abdomen, left abdomen, your right abdomen, your left abdomen, your right buttock, your left buttock, your right lower back, your left lower back, your right upper back, your left upper back. Sense the back of the body. Sense the front of the body. Sense the whole torso at the same time. Sense your right hip, your left hip, your right thigh, your left thigh, your right knee, your left knee, your right shin, your left shin, your right ankle, your left ankle, your right foot, your left foot, the bottom of the right foot, the bottom of the left foot, the right calf, the left calf, the back of the right knee, the back of the left knee, the back of the right thigh, the back of the left thigh. Sense the right leg. Sense the left leg. Sense both legs at the same time. Observe the body through the lens of the observer, noticing the spaciousness, openness of pure awareness where all of the sensations are rising. Watch sensations coming and going in awareness. Awareness of the sensation of breathing, the sensation of the beating heart, the sensation of your whole body relaxed. Observe the sensations of peace, contentment, joy, and relaxation spreading throughout your entire body. Observe the ever-present sensation of well-being spreading throughout the entire body. With each inhalation, feel the expansive quality of awareness, and with every exhalation, feel the sensation of warmth, security, and well-being radiating throughout the entire body. Allow your undivided attention to be focused on feeling your entire body as a radiant field of sensation in which all things are arising. Observe any sensations, feelings, memories, or emotions arising, and welcome them as messengers. Noticing any emotion, feeling, memory, or sensation, and simply acknowledging it and welcoming it into your awareness. Call to mind the opposite of the sensation, memory, feeling, or emotion that is arising, and notice what happens to the thinking mind when you bring both the feeling and its opposite into your awareness. Experience the qualities of presence, awake and aware, intimate and intelligent, authentic, peaceful, creative. Feel sensations of emptiness, expansiveness, but at the same time, fullness and power. Rest here, feeling a felt sensation of presence. As you are ready, begin to awaken the inner ears to the sensation of sound. Awaken ears to the sensation of sound vibrating in the inner ear canal. Continue to allow the body to awaken, inviting the sensation of touch to the fingers as you rub the thumb across the pads of the index finger, the middle finger, right finger, and pinky finger. Gently swallow and clear the throat, inviting the sensation of taste. As you're ready, gently open the eyes and awaken the sensation of sight, looking out into the world through the windows of the soul. Thank you for joining me here today for this Yoga Nidra practice. I hope you have a wonderful day or evening ahead. Namaste.